online entrepreneur needs to understand whether you're in the health niche, wellness, faith, beauty, coaching, affiliate marketing, network marketing, literally any niche you can think of. You need to build your business by branding yourself. This is really important. If you want people to trust you instead of just your company you promote or your product you promote, you need to build your own brand. You need to brand yourself, not your company, not your product, but yourself. Your age doesn't matter. Naysayers, they don't matter. No matter who they are, if you have a purpose, if you feel driven to grow something substantial, you need to brand yourself. So I'm Bobby Raffin, the Hopepreneur, and that's what we're going to talk about today. And that's exactly why I use the HBA Funnel Builder. If you haven't heard of it, it's an amazing platform with amazing people, and it's amazingly affordable compared to the other platforms out there for funnel building. It gives you full control over your brand, your message, your funnels, your opt-ins. You can even create a blog, a full website, a full content membership, everything. You can create anything. If you can imagine it, you're going to be able to create it. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly how that works. So you're branding yourself, it matters. Let's start with some online business truth here. If you're using your company's opt-in pages, your company's funnels, your company's website, you're building their brand, not yours. And here's the problem with that. If the company shuts down, if they change their compensation, change direction, remove your affiliate link, take you out of the company, they can do whatever they want, by the way, your business is lost. Everything, you're going to lose everything. That's why HBA is so powerful. It gives you the tools to brand whatever niche, whatever business you're growing, no matter what you're in, you're able to grow that. And on top of that, you're able to grow your business through HBA. So let's break this down a little bit. Your HBA Funnel Builder, now we have different products. This is the funnel builder I'm talking about. You can build a full website, full blog, membership site, coaching portal, digital product delivery system where you can create your digital products and you can deliver them yourself, so you don't have to rely on Amazon Kindle, because they take so much of your commissions. They leave you with barely anything, and they can shut down your account at any time. You can build a sales funnel, opt-in pages, lead magnet page, webinar registration page, product page, thank you page, checkout page. You can build a bridge, team training hub, community page, so you don't have to rely on Facebook groups. If Facebook shuts down or shuts your account down, it happens all the time. So you don't have to rely on that. You can just use the HBA Funnel Builder for everything, and it's so affordable. So no matter what niche you're in, like I said, health, fitness, faith, like I am, depression support, beauty, skincare, digital products, course creation, coaching. If you're a coach of any kind of niche, this could help you so much. Gardening, homesteading. You could have a whole survival website created here. Devotionals, Christian content, journaling, anything for mental health, productivity, time saving, motivation. If you can imagine it, you can build it here. A place to share your videos. You can post them on YouTube and have a whole platform of your videos with HBA. Now, this is important. When you use your company's opt-in, you're giving your leads away. You're letting the company follow up with the lead instead of you. But when you use your own opt-in, You build your list, your email list, you build your brand, you build trust with your audience, you build your authority, you build long-term income. And with HBA, it's residual. You need residual income. It is very helpful, especially in our retirement age. And age does not matter here. You build a business that can pivot anytime you want, in any direction you want it to. HBA makes it so easy to create and build on this platform. All you have to do is literally drag, drop, publish, and you're done. It is so simple and easy to use. And we have all the trainings you would ever need, and it's step by step, walks you through everything. It's amazing. Very, very simple and easy. Believe me, with my old age brain, and I can do it, you can too. Now let's talk about the part everyone loves, or not, depending on where you're going. This is the pricing. Now, HBA has kept the same pricing since the day they launched years ago. They've added new features, new tools, new amazing trainings, and value upon value. I love this platform. They never raise their rates. The pricing will stay the same always. They have promised to never raise the pricing, and they never will. The funnel builder is $25 monthly. Compare that to other funnel builders out there. They could be like almost $300, if not more, a month. This is $25 a month. Everybody can afford this. Plus, you make one sale, somebody buys the funnel builder through you, that's $20 a month you're making. So you're only paying $5 a month at that point with one sale. 80% commissions on every single product we have. The goal setter, this is another product through HBA, is only $10 a month. One sell and you're making $8 a month on that. Premium is $125 a month. One sale, you're making $100 a month on that. Now, what is involved, what we get from the premium, totally blows me away. This still isn't as much as some of the other funnel builders out there for their premium. Only $125 a month, and you make $100 with one sale. We have a built-in autoresponder. Now, I have used MailChimp. I have used GetResponse. I have used ActiveCampaign. I love all of those platforms, plus others. I let go of all of the other autoresponders that I used for years because this one works so well. And you don't have to buy anything else to connect it, to make it work, to make it function. It's all within our platform. No extra charge for the autoresponder, which is huge for me. It's huge because you need an autoresponder to grow your business so you own your email list. That's very important. We have an automated Facebook inviter. All of your friends and followers can receive a unique message from you. They're not spammy messages either. We have a Traffic Maestro, which includes creating posts, scripts, video ideas, content generation, Facebook posts. It's so helpful. You can actually record your video right within the platform. Image creation, no extra charge. You can get this done right in the same platform. We have advanced training. I'm not even through all of the trainings yet, and I've been in this company for years. It's amazing. Community support, weekly masterminds. And then we get to the Financial Literacy Academy. Wow, with our economy, we need this. This is our high ticket item. Again, 80% commission on the high ticket item, which it is $1,000 almost. It's almost $1,000. One-time fee, it's not monthly. And this academy is by far the best financial academy I have seen, and it pays out 80% commission. So one sale and you're making almost $800 for one sale. It's quite amazing. It's blown my mind. So if you're ready to build your brand, a brand that is totally yours, totally you. If you're ready to stop relying on your company's funnels, if you're an affiliate or network marketer, you're ready to create something that lasts, that generates income monthly, it's a recurring income, then HBA is the place to start. And before you go, I want to mention a couple of things that are important to me, near to my heart. My health drink is why I have this energy now. I was so sick for so long. The doctors couldn't figure out what was wrong with me. They told me one point I had rheumatoid arthritis. One point it was fibromyalgia. They said I had no insulin problem, but yet I still had total brain fog, lack of energy, complete exhaustion. Well, this health drink has helped me completely get back on track, overall wellness, better mood, weight loss. It's a huge perk for me. Better focus, lots of energy. If you are struggling also with depression or sadness, or if you know somebody who is, I also wrote a devotional, 14 Days to Overcome Depression with Jesus. And I add prayer, I add love notes in there from Jesus that I have prayed and prayed about. It's going to be a series. The next one will be on fear and anxiety. You can find the links in the description for HBA, my health drink, and the devotional. So check the description out because it's going to have all the good stuff that you need to have freedom in your life. I want to help you have freedom. I have overcome so many struggles in my life. And it's not easy. And it helps to have somebody on your side that has already gone through it, that can kind of help lead, guide you through it so you don't have to go through the hurdles that I've gone through. So let's build your brand. Let's build your business and let's build your future. You have a purpose. Every single person has a purpose. Don't give up just because of your age or the situation you may be living in right now. You can get through that. All right. I'm here for you. If you haven't yet, like this video, subscribe to my channel so you'll get more. I have more coming, and I hope to see you building your business. So reach out to me and check the description out, and we'll see you in the next one.